Hello and welcome to another video. I'm Matthew, one of the FASOS explorers, and you join me here today at the Student Hotel. This week I'm going to talk a bit more about personal development and the opportunities with that at FASOS, which seems fitting given I'm around all these books. So there are two areas where personal development can really happen at FASOS, and that's one in the classroom and the other is outside of the classroom, which might seem a bit simple, but inside the classroom you obviously learn all the techniques required for study, research, writing essays and engaging with that field of study, along with more practical skills as well. For example, I've learned video editing, sound editing, for which we've used those techniques to produce assignments as well, and I know that's something that they do on other courses at FASOS as well. Podcasts are particularly popular at the moment. But outside of the classroom there are a lot of opportunities to develop yourself. The Careers Service, for example, hosts workshops and seminars and lectures where you can work on your project management, time management, team working skills, and really develop yourself ready for your career in that area as well. There's also a branch of the university called the Stadium General where they host lectures and seminars which you can attend, are usually free as well. So recently there's been one on why Europe should become a republic, and just last night there was one on the local elections as well. There was a debate between some of the local politicians. But also at FASOS, and including all of the faculties at the university as well, there's a program called Premium. Now Premium is a program which, as I said, all faculties engage in, but it gives you the opportunity to work with students from other faculties who have different disciplines and very different approaches to how you might approach a problem or how you've been taught to in your faculty. And you'll work for a real business in a real world scenario with a real world problem. So you'll get that problem, work with your team that could be made up of anyone from across the university, and present that solution to that problem back later at the end of the year. So you've had a real good opportunity there to develop yourself personally with a group of absolute strangers before you started it. So at Maastricht University and FASOS as well, there's a real emphasis on developing yourself from just beyond the classroom, so that you don't just develop skills of reading books and writing essays, but you really develop yourself as a student to be well-rounded, articulate and able to deal with a whole range of different situations. A couple of my course mates as well are actually on the Premium. So if you have any questions, please get in touch with our course representative, or any of the course representatives for that matter, as they might know someone on the programme and they'll be happy to answer any questions about it. And with that, thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.